Jibril appeared when Ibrahim alayhis salam was thrown in the fire and asked if he could help Ibrahim, who responded that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is enough for him. We learned that Jibril alayhis salam always wanted to help prophets. Jibril also came to help Hajar, the wife of Ibrahim, tapping his heels to produce the water of Zamzam. A group of angels also went to the house of Ibrahim salam to give him the great tidings of a righteous son in his old age, and that they are there to destroy the nation of Lut salam.